Good morning, everyone. I am Hanhari. I am studying 10th class at R.V.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam, Gulgonda. My project name is Air Purifying Prevent Blocks, an innovation solution for urban air pollution control. Introduction. Air pollution is critical environmental issue in urban areas, caused mainly vehicles emission in dust. Air purifying pavement blocks are designed to reduce air pollutions such as CO, NOx, VOCs, and particular photocatalytic materials like titanium dioxide. These blocks purify air while maintain their conversion construction materials. Working principle: infused with titanium dioxide, a photocatalyst. Sunlight activities titanium dioxide producing radicals that break down pollutants. Harmful gas like NOx and VOCs are converted into harmful compounds, nitrate, water, CO. Rainwater naturally washes away the residues. Material used: cement, sand, aggregates, titanium dioxide, nanoparticles, industrial waste, fly ash, slag, recycled plastics, surface surface finishing for durability. Applications: urban roads and highway to absorb vehicle emissions, footpath, sidewalks, and public parks for pedestrian safety, but bus stop, railway station, and airport with high traffic, schools and hospitals for protection of vulnerable groups, industrial zones, and smart city instructions. Advantages: reduce air pollution, NOx, CO, VOCs, PM, promote sustainability construction using industrial waste, durable and strong with improved machines properties, lamination, slightly higher initial cost due to titanium dioxide coating, depend on UV sunlight for activity, requires large scale deployment for significant impact. Future scope: advanced prototypic ZNO gases composites for highway efficiency, multi-functions block air pollution plus solar energy plus self-cleaning, large-scale deployment in smart cities and industrial hubs.